Before we wrap up, we need to end this video with something that you can take into consideration and into action. So let's think about where we can start this kind of journey for digital transformation. The part that if we say digital, actually everyone will have different perspective and every different thought about this word. So to one person, they think that going paperless might be the digital. Another might think about data analytics and artificial intelligence. Another might picture an agile team, and yet another might think of an open plan office. That's why it's a broad spectrum. We need to minimize it and to have an accurate starting point for this. Actually, the digital transformation should begin with a problem statement, a clear opportunity, or an aspirational goal. The why of your organization. This will be the key. So if you consider the why of your organization's digital transformation, that might be an improving customer relationship as a starting point. Either customer experience, reducing friction, increasing productivity, or even elevating the profitability for your business. Wrapped inside those topics, there were data analytics, technologies, software, all of which are enablers, not drivers. So please be careful whenever you go for your journey, because sometimes the tools will be misused and will be misleading as well. You could have all those things: the customer view, the product and service, data, the great technology, but if leadership and culture aren't here, so you might fail. Understanding what digital means to your organization is very crucial, because you might be a financial, agricultural, pharmaceutical, or even retail institutes. Every different segment will have different perspective for digital transformation. Again, we need to focus on the why, because this will be your key. So, to understand it more, let's think about what does the digital transformation framework look like? That will be our next. As we mentioned, the digital transformation framework is very crucial for your organization to understand. We have different elements that will be covered within this framework, like customer experience, we spoke about it. Operational agility, which means that you are flexible for change, you are adaptable to all the changes, at the same time you have a vision. The third component will be your culture and leadership. Without those, you cannot proceed with digital transformation. Also, you need to consider your workforce enablement. That will be also your power, your employees, and how much you are investing for those employees to be ready for the technology. Digital technology will be one of the aspects that you need to consider in your framework. And the last but not least will be integration, because all those elements need to be integrated together, working together at the same time will be in harmony to achieve your goal of the digital transformation. Something to leave you with before we end, that will be the 8 critical digital transformation trends that leaders should be aware in 2022. If you are leading an organization, having your own business, or even you are a citizen that's willing to contribute to the decision-making in government, you should be aware of those technologies and those trends. The 8 trends are as well. Focus on resilience and sustainability. We can see that sustainability and sustainable businesses are one of the core focus of all governments now. Second will be emphasize on using the cloud to enable innovation. The cloud-based solutions are highly recommended now for government and for businesses. We cannot forget the AI as well, because this will be our third one. AI-fueled automation of the business processes, that will be your key. The fourth trend will be how to continue acceptance of the remote work. After the COVID, we can see the changes that happened and how we need to change and be agile with all the new rules, requirements, and even the challenges we can face with the remote work. Also, you need to increase the attention to managing data for its entire life cycle. Again, data will be your key. You'll be your oil. That will be the valuable asset that you will have, and you need to manage it in a very smart way. One of the highly recommended trends to be aware of and to work on it in your business is security as a business imperative, not an afterthought. So please check your security and your data management system that will help you to be a leader in your business. Prioritizing AI ethics and governance. One of the challenges that we can all agree on that with this kind of huge adoption of new technologies, the new changes, we need an ethics, we need a governance, we need a rules that can make sure that everyone on the same line and we can handle with transparency and high confidence with these services. Also, the increased use of maturing machine learning will be very highly recommended to be aware of. Either machine learning or AI will be the hottest topic for the coming years. And whenever we have like new technologies like an OpenAI or the chatbots or whatever technology you have, you can find that this kind of maturity of the machine learning will take a huge place in your workplace. So those are the 8 trends that's highly recommended to look at. And we finished our course today. Hope that it was insightful for you. If you have questions, please leave it for us. And we'll see you. Thank you.